This is your homework for Thursday night, November 6th. I'm going to walk you through 2 word problems. I'm also going to show you the steps of how to write after you've solved your word problems and explain what you did. So I'm going to start off by doing the first problem, walk you through, show you the answer, and then I'm going to show you how I would write a response to this. So the first question says, on Monday, Nora rode 9 miles on a bike. On Tuesday, she rode 4 miles. On Wednesday, she rode 2 times further than she did on Monday and Tuesday combined. How many miles has Nora ridden so far this week? So in listening to that, here's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing that I'm going to do at least 2 steps. So I think I'm going to add, because on Monday and Tuesday, she had 9 and 4. I think I'm going to put those together. And then on Wednesday, I have a times. I have 2 times further. So I think I'm going to put that down. And then at the end, because it wants them combined, I think I'm going to add. So I think what I'm doing here is I'm adding, and that's going to get me Monday and Tuesday's number. I'm going to multiply, which is going to get me Wednesday's number. And then at the end, I'm going to take those 2 numbers, the sum here and the product here. I'm going to add them, and I'm going to get a total. So I'm going to go 9 plus 4 is 13. That gets me my total on Monday and Tuesday. And then to find my total on Wednesday, or my product on Wednesday, I'm going to take 13 times 2 because she rode 2 times further than she did on Monday and Tuesday combined. So that's 26. And then I want to find the total number of miles she's ridden for the week. So this is Monday and Tuesday. This is Wednesday. So I have to put those 2 numbers together. So I'm going to take them and add them, and I'm going to go 13 plus 26 is 39. Okay, so that's my answer for my problem. Now, my steps to write it, remember the first thing I'm going to write is what I'm looking for. You can either write it as a whole paragraph, or a lot of times, like I did in math class today, I like to put like the little bullet points down, and it just helps me keep myself organized as I'm writing. And you know, being organized is always a good thing to do as you're writing. So on the first bullet point then, I'm going to go ahead and say this. Since we're writing about what we're looking for, I'm going to say, we are trying to find the total number of miles that Nora has ridden her bike so far this week. So that's what I'm trying to find in the problem, the total number of miles that she's ridden her bike this week. So what did I do? Okay. I added the 4 miles and 9 miles she rode on Monday and Tuesday together to get the sum of 13 miles. Okay. Then I multiplied it by 2 to get 26 to find the total for Wednesday. Okay, and then maybe I didn't make my spaces big enough tonight. But my third step then is I'm going to do my final step here. So I'm going to say I added 13 and 26 to find my final answer of 39 miles. Okay. Now, I could have also done one extra step. I could have put a fourth thing down. And if we want to do a fourth thing, I'm going to do an extension. So remember, an extension is how we change the problem. So I could have said that, for example, what would happen if Nora had ridden, 10 miles on Monday? Or what if instead of on Wednesday doing 2 times further, what if she had done 3 times further? So changing the problem, changing a number, thinking about how the problem could be different. You could have thrown in an extra day. You could have said on Monday, Nora rode 9 miles. On Tuesday, she rode 4 miles. On Wednesday, she rode 2 times further than she did on Monday and Tuesday combined. You could have said, all right, on Thursday, her total number of miles she had ridden for the week had gone to, 60. How many miles had she ridden on Thursday? Anything you can to change the problem, alter the problem, add an extra step to the problem, anything like that is your extension. And when we're in class, that's how you're going to bump your problem up and get your level 4. Okay, so I'm not going to show you mine. I'm going to let you create one, and we'll talk about it tomorrow in class. All right, for number 2, it says a club's first meeting was attended by 19 people. The second meeting was attended by 4 times as many people as the first meeting. How many people attended the second meeting? So in this problem, this is actually a one-stepper. It's a one-stepper. So it's a club's meeting. It was attended by 19 people. The second one was attended by 4 times as many people as the first meeting. So here's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing that this is a multiplication problem because we have 19 people at a meeting. We had 4 times as many at the next meeting. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to multiply it. So I'm going to go 9 times 4 is 36. I'm going to put down my 6, carry my 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 76 is my final answer. Okay, and then again I'm going to write. So my first step is to say what it was I'm looking for. So we are looking for the number of people who attended the second meeting. Okay. To solve it, okay, the second step is to write down what you did to solve it. So I'm going to say is to solve the problem. I multiplied 19 by 4 because 4 times as many people attended the second meeting. Okay, so that's what I have. And then I'm going to say that the final answer was 76 people. Okay, so just like that. And again, I could add a fourth, and I can go ahead and make an extension. And remember, an extension is you add something onto the problem or you change something in the problem. So you could say that, the first meeting was attended by 50 people, and that instead of 4 times as many people, they had 5 times as many people. Or you could say, what would happen if they had a third meeting and the number of people that attended doubled? Something like that. Remember, you're changing the problem, trying to do something above and beyond. And again, it's how you get your level 4 on problem solving. So I hope this was a help for you guys tonight. I hope you solved the problems, got some correct answers, enjoyed doing the writing, and we will go over these tomorrow in class. Have a great evening.